Imagine buying a Ferrari and using it to deliver a milk at 20 km per hour. And that's how most people use artificial intelligence. They open ChatGPT and type, "Give me business ideas," and then complain AI is mid. No, my friend, the AI is a rocket. You just handed it a paper airplane instructions manual. Today we are exposing the uncomfortable truth. 99% of you are prompting AI wrong. Not because AI is confusing, but because nobody taught you how to think in prompts. And once you understand this, your productivity, creativity, and income can literally 10x. Alright, let's fix that. Alright guys, this is Sanskar Singh with 2 million followers on Instagram, and I am an AI philosopher and researcher, and I don't let AI dominate the people who watches my videos and looked at my content consistently. So let's get started. Here's the part number 1. The biggest mistake is being vague. You know, most prompts look like write a script, make a business plan, help me grow on Instagram, tell me about fitness. That's not a prompt, that's a shrug. AI is powerful, but it's not psychic. If you tell a chef make a food, you will get a food. But if you say make a high protein vegetarian meal for lean bulking under 600 calories that helps with testosterone and skin health, now we are cooking the real food. Specificity is oxygen for AI. And here's the part 2. You're not giving it a proper context. Here's something I learned the hard way. When I first started using AI for content, I asked, write a viral Instagram reel script, and it was something so generic it felt like it was written by a robot who had never been on Instagram. Then I changed the prompt. I have 1 million followers. My audience is into AI and self-improvement. I want bold storytelling, hook in first 3 seconds and 30-second max, and slightly controversial. And suddenly it felt like the script understood me, because context is the king here. AI doesn't need the task, it needs who you are, who it's for, what's the platform, what's the tone, constant and desired outcome. Without context you will get a vanilla, but with context you will get Michelin star output. And here's the part 3. You don't assign AI a role. This is where things get interesting. Most people say explain artificial super intelligence, but a better prompt is act as a TEDx speaker explaining artificial super intelligence to an ambitious 20-year-old who are scared about the future. And you've seen the difference between these prompts. When you assign AI a role, it changes personality, depth, and delivery. You can say act as a neuroscientist, act as a high-ticket closure, act as a fitness coach optimizing hormones, or act as a YouTube strategist. And it's literally switching lenses on a camera. Same AI and different perspective. And here's the part 4. You don't set constraint. And here's the secret. Constraint don't limit AI, they sharpen it. Bad prompt is write about discipline, and a better prompt, write a 60-second YouTube short script about discipline using one powerful metaphor, conversational tone, no cliches, and end with a mic drop line. And now the output has a shape. Without constraint, AI rambles, but with constraint, it performs. Think of AI like a water. It needs a container. And here's the part number 5. You do not iterate. And this is where 99% people fail. They ask once, they get an answer, and they judge it. That's like going to the gym once and saying, why am I not shredded? AI works best in conversation. You can say make the hook stronger, add more emotion, make it controversial, shorten it by 30%, or give me 5 alternative endings. You sculpt the output, and AI is the clay and you are the sculptor. And here's the part number 6. You ask for information instead of thinking. Most people use AI like Google 2.0. What is testosterone? What is discipline? And what is ASI? And that's absolutely fine. But the real power is in thinking with AI. Instead of asking, give me a business idea, ask me 10 questions to identify my unfair advantages before suggesting business ideas. Now AI become a strategist. Instead of answer, it gives you a better question, and better questions build better lives. And here's the part 7. Give it a personal story. Let me confess something, people. When I first used AI seriously, I thought I was elite. I was the best. I asked it to help me write a YouTube script, and the result, and it sounded like a motivational poster from 2012. I got frustrated. I blamed the tool, and then I realized my prompt was one sentence long. No audience, no tone, no goal, and no structure. So I rewrote it properly. I gave it a context, defined the hook, specified the humor, added structure, and explained my audience psychology. And the difference was wild. Same AI, different instruction. That day I learned AI doesn't replace thinking. AI reward a better thinking. And here's the part number 8, the 5-step prompt formula. Let me give you something very practical. Whenever you prompt AI, AI, use this. Like first define the role, like act as a, then give it a context, like who you are and who is it for. Third, give it a task, what exactly do you want. Then constraints, like what should be the length, the tone, the structure, and what is the platform. And the output format, like script, bullet points, table, or hook first. For example, act as a YouTube growth strategist. I run an AI self-improvement channel. Create a 10-minute script on why most people misuse AI. Controversial, humorous, structured with hook body CTA, and add one relatable story. And that's not just a prompt, it's a blueprint. And this is not just about AI, it's about clarity. The way you prompt AI reveals how clearly you think. If your instructions are messy, your results are messy, not Ronaldo. When you learn to prompt better, you think better. And when you think better, you build better systems, better habits, better businesses, and better life decisions. AI becomes a mirror, and sometimes the mirror is honest. And here's the truth, AI is not underpowered. Most users are under specific. It's not about knowing secret prompts, it's about thinking with intention. From today, stop asking AI a lazy questions and start designing your prompts like a strategist, because the future won't belong to people who use AI. It will belong to those people who know how to direct it. And that's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. I post on how to make money with AI, how to dominate in the AI era, and how to get ahead of everyone else with artificial intelligence. Make sure to subscribe this channel and hit that like button to let know YouTube Baba that I am creating a great content. If you got any questions, just comment down below and I will get back to you. Good luck.